Hi, this is Kelly with Spotahome Madrid, and I'm going to show you a great studio on Calle Moratin. Okay, so as we come in, you can see the big living room with lots of light coming in through these windows. Take a look at that. Directly behind me is the front door. So you can see there's a dining room table with 4 nice chairs. We have these 2 couches and another table. All these bookshelves, lots of books. This is also the combined heating and cooling unit. It's on the top floor, so we get a view of these rooftops. And now into the kitchen. So you can see in the kitchen there's the washing machine. Here's a sink. We have cupboards with lots of storage space. You can see it has all the plates and glasses and everything. Here's the stove. And there's an oven, which is really nice. The fridge and the microwave. And this little area back here to store everything you need, with a little curtain to close it up. Okay, and now let's go into the bedroom. So the bedroom is kind of this lofted area up here. So let's take a look. Can go up these stairs. And here's the sleeping area. So there's a double bed. You can see this, the ceiling is kind of low, but you fit. And then you can see the view looking down into the living room. Okay. We go back down the stairs. And into this other space, which is awesome. Like a little storage space, but also this is like a whole closet area. You can hang your clothes up here. All sorts of space. And the bathroom. So you can see this is the bathroom. The toilet and the sink. A little shelving unit. A small window. And then here is the shower and bathtub. Okay. So that's about it for Spotahome. This is Kelly, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!